हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम टू द थर्ड एपिसोड ऑफ पीटीई कोर। इस वीडियो में हम बात करेंगे लिसनिंग सेक्शन ऑफ पीटीई कोर के बारे में। सो लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड। Now the duration of listening module is somewhere between 30 and 37 minutes. And there are 7 question types included in the module. The first one is summarize spoken text. This is followed by multiple choice, multiple answer questions, fill in the blanks, multiple choice, single answer questions. Then select missing word, highlight incorrect words, and finally write from dictation. Highlight correct summary, which is a part of PTE Academic, has been eliminated from PTE Core. So it's not there. Now let's start with summarize spoken text. Summarize spoken text may you will listen to a recording. This recording can be in the form of an audio or a video. Listen very carefully because after listening you have to summarize the recording or the spoken text in your own words. इस क्वेश्चन टाइप के लिए आपको मिलते हैं 8 मिनट्स एंड यू हैव टू राइट समवेयर बिटवीन 20 and 30 वर्ड्स, ना 20 से कम ना 30 से ज़्यादा. सो रिमेंबर दिस इज द फॉर्म रिक्वायरमेंट. नाउ यू हैव टू कंप्लीट दिस टास्क विद इन 8 मिनट्स. हर समराइज स्पोकन टेक्स्ट के लिए आपको 8 मिनट्स मिलेंगे. यहाँ पे आपकी लिसनिंग एज वेल एज राइटिंग स्किल्स जज होती हैं एंड यू गेट मार्क्स फॉर द कंटेंट, फॉर्म, vocabulary, grammar and spelling. Now, after the completion of summarized spoken text, there will be a timer for the listening module. That means the remaining question types you have to complete within that given time period, which is mentioned on the screen. The next question type would be multiple choice, multiple answer. You have to listen to a recording and then you have to answer a multiple choice question depending on the tone or the content of the recording. Now this question has multiple correct answers. So choose accordingly. If you mark all the answers, you lose marks. There will be 1 to 2 multiple choice, multiple answer question in your exam. Now the next question type is fill in the blanks listening. You will have a transcript on screen and you will listen to a recording. Now while listening, you have to fill in the gaps which are there in the transcript. Transcript के बीच में there will be several gaps or blanks and make sure while listening you just fill in those blanks. You can use your erasable booklet for this task or you can type directly on screen. It's up to you whichever way you feel comfortable. In exam there can be 2 to 3 questions of this type. The next question is multiple choice, single answer question. You will listen to a recording and after listening you have to provide an answer to a multiple choice question. यहाँ पे सिर्फ single response ही देना है. It is single answer question, so only one answer would be correct. And in exam there could be 1 to 2 questions of this type. Now next question type is select missing word. In this question type you will listen to an audio recording or you will watch a video. And at the end of the video or the audio recording, a word or a group of words will be replaced by a beep. And on screen, you will have 4 options and you have to choose the correct option that will replace that beep. In exam, there will be 1 to 2 questions of this type and skills assessed here are listening. Now the next question type is highlight incorrect words. You will have a transcript on screen and you will listen to a recording. Now while listening you have to highlight the incorrect words. The skills assessed here are listening and reading because you are listening to a recording and simultaneously you are also reading a transcript of that recording. So you have to stay alert while listening and you have to highlight or you have to click on the words that are incorrect. In exam there could be 1 to 2 questions of this type as well. Now finally, the last question type in listening module would be write from dictation. This is very important question type and in exam you can have 3 to 4 questions of this type. The skills assessed would be listening and writing, so it has good contribution towards scores. You will listen to a sentence and then you have to, after listening, you have to type that sentence in the box given. You will hear the sentence once only. So make sure that you hear it properly or you listen to it very carefully. And while typing, make sure that you begin the sentence with initial capital letter and you end it with a full stop. So that is all about PTE Core. I hope all the question types are clear to you. For more details and to crack the various question types, we are coming up with more videos. So keep following our channel. Thank you for watching.